Have you ever studied English for a few days, then stopped for weeks? Have you ever felt excited to learn, but after a short time you lost your motivation? If your answer is yes, don't worry. You're not alone. Many English learners don't fail because English is difficult. They fail because they don't have a daily study routine. The truth is that learning English doesn't require studying for 5 or 6 hours every day. What you really need is a simple plan that you can follow consistently. In today's lesson, I'm going to share the best daily English study routine for beginners and intermediate learners. This routine is easy to follow, doesn't take too much time, and will help you improve your vocabulary, grammar, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. If you follow this routine every day, you'll notice a big improvement in just a few months. Let's begin. Why is a daily routine important? Imagine going to the gym once a month. Will you become stronger? Of course not. Learning English is exactly the same. Your brain learns through repetition. Small daily practice is much more powerful than studying for several hours only once a week. Even 20 or 30 minutes every day can completely change your English over time. The key is consistency. Remember this sentence. Consistency beats intensity. Studying a little every day is much better than studying a lot only once in a while. Step 1. Start your morning with English. The first few minutes after you wake up are very important. Instead of checking social media immediately, spend a few minutes with English. Review 10 vocabulary words that you learned yesterday. Read them aloud. Say each word in a sentence. Try to remember the meaning without translating into your native language. This simple habit wakes up your brain and prepares it for learning. Morning review takes only 5 to 10 minutes, but it strengthens your memory. Step 2. Learn new vocabulary. Vocabulary is the foundation of every language. Without words, you cannot speak, write, read, or understand English. Instead of learning random words, choose one topic each day. For example, Monday, food. Tuesday, family. Wednesday, travel. Thursday, work. Friday, shopping. Saturday, health. Sunday, hobbies. Learn 10 new words every day. Write them in a notebook. Read them aloud. Use each word in a sentence. The more you use a word, the easier it becomes to remember. Step 3. Practice listening. Listening is one of the most important skills. Spend at least 15 minutes listening to English every day. You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, short stories, or conversations. Don't stop the audio every time you hear a new word. Focus on understanding the main idea first. Then listen again. Each time you listen, you'll understand more. Remember, listening trains your ears to recognize real English. Step 4. Read every day. Reading helps you improve your vocabulary and grammar naturally. Choose texts that match your level. Don't choose something that is too difficult. Children's stories, simple articles, and graded readers are excellent choices. While reading, underline new words. Guess their meaning from the context before using a dictionary. This makes your brain work harder and helps you remember better. Step 5. Practice speaking. Many learners know hundreds of words but cannot speak. Why? Because they never practice speaking. You don't need a partner to improve. Speak to yourself. Describe your room. Talk about your plans. Tell yourself what you're doing. For example, I am making breakfast. I am studying English. I will watch a movie tonight. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Step 6. Shadowing practice. Shadowing is one of the best techniques for improving pronunciation and fluency. Choose a short English recording. Listen carefully. Then repeat immediately after the speaker. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, stress, and intonation. Don't worry if you can't speak perfectly at first. Practice the same recording several times. Little by little, your pronunciation will improve naturally. Step 7. Study grammar. Grammar gives structure to your English. Don't study every grammar rule in one day. Choose one small topic. For example, present simple, past simple, present continuous, future with will. Read the explanation. Study the examples. Then make your own sentences. Learning grammar through practice is much more effective than memorizing rules. Step 8. Write every day. Writing helps organize your thoughts. Every evening, write a short paragraph about your day. It doesn't have to be perfect. For example, today I woke up at 7 o'clock. I had breakfast with my family. Then I studied English for 30 minutes. In the afternoon, I went for a walk. Tonight I will watch an English video before going to bed. Writing every day improves both grammar and vocabulary. Step 9. Review what you learned. Never finish your study session without reviewing. Spend 5 or 10 minutes reviewing today's vocabulary and grammar. Ask yourself, can I remember today's new words? Can I use them in sentences? Can I explain today's grammar lesson? Review is the secret to long-term memory. Without review, we forget. With review, we remember. Step 10. Stay motivated. There will be days when you don't feel like studying. That's completely normal. On those days, don't quit. Study for just 5 minutes. Usually, once you start, you'll continue. Remember why you started learning English. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to study abroad. Maybe you simply love learning languages. Keep your goal in mind every day. Your future self will thank you. A sample 45-minute study